a Hydmech H-20 horizontal bandsaw with a 20 by 20 capacity. It's currently running in automatic mode. Your shuttles will shuttle forward, the device will automatically clamp, and the blade will come down on the part. There's your vices just clamping. Opening up for a shuttle. The blade is starting to downfeed on the part. Adjustable arm guide by the control. Has a variable blade speed. There we're slowing the blade down, and it has adjustable downfeed as well, downfeed pressure. Go on the back side of the machine to show the shuttles. There's your front vise opening, your rear vise closed, and your shuttle's moving forward to advance the piece. On its current program, it's shuttling a longer piece, so the shuttle will go 2 times. You can see the rear vise closing to clamp the piece. Once it advances the pieces, the rear shuttle will open back up. Starting to make that cut again. It does have a manual mode as well, where you can operate the advancement on the shuttles and the vices as well. You can shuttle forward, and shuttle the rear to the back. Continue open and close the vice.